Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Challenges. So it's raining in Dubai.
It's so wet.
It's so wet, and look at the clouds. They're even black.
Gosh.
Okay, we're doing challenges. We're gonna see if we can run through the rain until the end and back.
Okay, I'll do it. I'm
Okay,
doing it
guys.
first. I'm doing it first.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Wait, you don't have to run, okay?
Okay, go. This is epic, guys. She's almost made it. Come back! Okay, now she's gonna come back. And it's really wet. Can you see the floor? It's literally wet. And oh my god. Even on the phone, it's getting wet. Okay, she's almost made it. Okay, now it's my turn. Ready, guys?
My turn.
All of us together now. Okay, ready, guys?
I'm not going.
Yeah, but the problem is this is my phone and I don't want it to break. Okay, let's just do this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Let's run! Run down! Oh my god, the phone is getting full of water. Oh no! We've almost made it. Oh my god. Like everyone's home, not even the park. Let's go back. No one's even playing at the park. If you can see at the park, there's no one. If you can see that little house. Okay, we're going back. We're coming. We're under a tree now, which is good. Thanks, tree. Okay, now let's go. Oh no, the rain is getting even harder, guys. We need to run. Oh my god. Look!
What is that?
It's coming in my mouth.
It tastes disgusting, dude.
We finally made our video. We'll see you later for more epic videos.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Bye. Subscribe if you like it.
And put a big thumbs up. Bye.